Hello everyone, how are you all? I would like to wish you all a very happy Makar Sankranti. So friends, today I am going to share with you a very delicious healthy sweet dish recipe which is very healthy and tasty. So without any further delay, let's check out the ingredient. So let's start preparing this recipe. 200 grams of sesame seeds and 200 gram of jaggery. Let's turn on the flame now. Flame is turned on. We need to keep the flame on low flame. Now we are going to add sesame seeds into it and we need to roast it until it gets bit brownish. Don't need to burn it, we just need to roast it until it gets into a light brown color. We need to keep stirring it on low flame till it reaches its golden brown color. So if you haven't watched my previous video which have explained benefit of sesame seeds and sesame oil, please do watch it to see the benefits of sesame seeds and sesame oil. So I can see now this sesame seeds turned into golden brown color. So flame is turned off at this stage. So we will let it cool for approximately 20 to 30 minutes. Once it's cooled down, we are going to grind it in the grinder on pulse. So this is the consistency on pulse we want for our sesame seeds. But before using this jaggery into our recipe today, we are going to crush it or grate it. It will make our cooking process easier. One tablespoon of clarified butter. We only need 1 tablespoon of clarified butter, which in Hindi we call desi ghee. Keep the flame on low. So now we will add grated jaggery into it, in the melted clarified butter or desi ghee in Hindi. Stir it continuously on low flame, and also I am going to add only 2 tablespoons of water and let the jaggery get melted on low flame. We need to keep the flame on low for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. Once we started seeing bubble into this jaggery, so this is what we want. We will add all of these around 200 grams of crushed roasted sesame seeds. We need to keep stirring this on low flame. Also, to give a good flavor to this recipe, I am adding half a small tablespoon of cardamom powder, and to give a more good flavor and taste into this sweet dish recipe, I am going to add 1 tablespoon of milk powder. So we need to keep stirring this mixture on low flame. So I have added, after seeing the bubbles, I have added 1 tablespoon of milk powder and small half a tablespoon of cardamom powder into it. We need to keep stirring it on low flame. This is ready now. This mixture into this butter or baking paper. So now I am giving it a proper shape, and then we will cut this into square pieces. I have divided into 3 portions, horizontally and vertically. So you can give this sweet dish any shape of your choice too. So I have just shown you here as well that we can make it a round ball using your hand, moving your hand like that. So this is ready. Now we are going to garnish our healthy sweet dish recipe. So guys, if you like this recipe, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will be bringing up more delicious healthy recipes soon. Also, I will keep sharing beauty tips, weight loss tips and healthy lifestyle tips. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.